Hello everyone, today I am going to review the X1-640 graphic tablet from the brand Xenx. Now, I will start with the unboxing. First, we have a setup guide card. In the back, it has the warranty terms and conditions. This is the battery-free pen. It has 2 customizable buttons and a report rate of 266 points per second. This is the X1-640 graphic tablet. It has 5 shortcut keys and a working area of 6 by 3.74 inches. This tablet is very thin and light. These are the accessories included in the package. First, we have a USB cable, a nib removal tool, an OTG Type-C adapter, and 10 pen nibs. Now, I am going to install the drivers. For that I went to the website indicated in the setup guide. With the driver installed, I plug in the tablet and launch the app, and it automatically recognizes the device, and now I can configure the tablet. In the app I can configure the shortcut keys, the pressure and buttons of the pen. I can also select between 3 compatibility modes: Windows Ink, Absolute and Relative. Now I'm going to start with Sketch, and I want to talk about the company behind this tablet. Xenx Technology is a startup company. They have their own research and development on EMR pen technology. They make their own components, so you won't see something similar to other brands in this tablet. I myself have tried many different brands of graphic tablets, and honestly this graphic tablet from Xenx Technology feels unique. The response time of the pen is amazing, and all the brush strokes feel smooth. It certainly feels like you are using a more expensive tablet. I've been using the X1-640 graphic tablet for days, and I couldn't find anything to complain. The working area of the tablet is small, but that did not bother me, and I was able to work comfortably. When it comes to drawing, sometimes I use too much pressure, but this tablet has helped me a lot to loosen my brush strokes. That's why I feel this tablet manages the 8192 pressure levels better than other brands. The shortcut keys and the pen buttons work fine, and they don't feel cheap. Honestly, there's a lot to love about this tablet. I haven't tried it on Android phones, but I will leave that for another video, as I think it deserves to be checked in detail. Before ending this video, I want to thank Xenx for providing the unit for this review. I have had enough time to test this tablet at least on PC, and I am more than surprised by the performance of this tablet. That's why, based on my personal experience, I will give Xenx X1-640 graphic tablet a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching. See you next time.